In this video, I will teach you how to create a web page with video background. Like all the projects, you can download this one also from GitHub and include it in your own project or modify if you like. Link will be provided in the description. Let's start. In this web page, I have some header items, main heading in the center of the page, and some text on the bottom of the page. Video is not scrolling, everything else is scrolling. I have used two fonts for this project, Roboto as default and Syncopate for the heading tag. I have selected Roboto with regular font weight and Syncopate with bold font weight. And in my projects folder, I have already created an index HTML file and style CSS file, and video is inside the video folder. First I will include my styles and link the font to my project. Open the project in live server. And if you don't have live server installed, go to extensions and search for live server. Once you install this one, you will see go live option here. Or you can right click on the HTML file and select open with live server. So inside our body we have four things: video background, header, main h1 tag, and some paragraph. To include video inside your HTML project, we have a tag video and it is inside videos folder. Once you save the project, you can see the video here, but it's not playing. For that we have another attribute called autoplay. And to make it in loop. If you want to mute your video, you can use muted attribute. As soon as the page loads, video will be played and it is in loop and muted. For our header, we have three items. And for our main tag, I will wrap it inside a section. I need this explained word inside span to give separate styles. Now for the bottom contents, our HTML is finished. Now we can start styling this. First of all, I will remove default styles provided by our browser. And to make our video fixed, I will use position fixed. And to fill the video in the entire area, we have a property called object fit. Our page contents are behind the video tag. Our contents are inside the main tag, and we can give position relative to see the contents which were behind the video tag. And I will add background color as an overlay. We need our header contents in the right side aligned in a single line. To make it in the right side, I will give position absolute and write 0. And for the OL tag inside the header tag, we need to remove the numbers and make it in single line. And now we need some space between the contents. Now for our main heading, to make the h1 tag in the center, I'll give margin auto. Now I will style this word separately, which was wrapped inside a span tag. Display block will make this word block level element and move it to the next line. And now for our paragraph, we need to make it in the center. Source code for this project is provided in the description. You can download the code and use it in your own project. I'll be uploading videos like this every Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. If you like this, like the video and subscribe to my channel for future videos. I will see you in the next video.